look at it.
Oh yes.
Have a little look. How am I supposed to act? Watch your man. You should watch your mouth. Nicely. It fits alright.
What the fuck is that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, I'm Ruth, and today I'm back again with another haul for you. So today we're gonna do FemmeLuxe. This haul hasn't really got a particular category to it. I just saw these clothes on FemmeLuxe and I thought, that's quite cute, let me get it. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Also, don't forget to comment which one of these are your favorite outfits. Right, I'm gonna try on each outfit and I'm gonna be rating all of the outfits out of 10 to do with the sizing, to do with the fabric, or like the quality and a comparison to the picture. So comment down below if you agree with what I'm saying about the clothes or if you don't agree. But without further ado, let's get into it. Have a little look at it.
Oh yeah.
Have a little look. I don't even know how to act right now. How am I supposed to act? Right, so I ordered a size 8 and this fits perfectly. It literally fits perfectly from top to bottom. The bottom is quite like flowy. Who is you? Who are we?
We are that bitch. Okay.
The fabric is like silky. One thing I don't like about this outfit, first of all, it came with like a little smell. I don't know why it smells like that, but I reckon just put it in the wash because that don't smell nice. And the second thing that I don't like about this is that the trousers is a bit like light. The top is kind of double layered, so you can't see anything, like it's not see-through, but the trousers is not double layered. You can see like this bit is double layered, but this bit isn't. I'm gonna give this outfit 9.8 out of 10, purely because the outfit just bangs. The next outfit I'm gonna show you are these two. These two are the same outfit in different colors. I thought maybe we gonna get a crazy blue. I feel like that'll look nice on my skin. Like this was made for us melanin babies, like. And then I got a black one in case I just wanted to be plain Jane. Listen, watch your man. You should watch your mouth. Bitches is pressed, administer mouth to mouth. I feel like motorsport. Okay, so this outfit literally fits perfectly. Again, size 8. And the fabric, this feels like the fabric you go swimming in. In comparison to the picture, this is pretty accurate. It looks like the picture. Like this one, I think I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10 because it's cute. I'm gonna sing this for you again. Watch your man. You should watch your mouth. Bitches is pressed, administer mouth to mouth. Listen. Motorsport. So this one feels a bit different to the black one. Still the same type of fabric. It's silky, like fits good. I also bought this in a size 8, so that's a size small on their site. And comparing it to the picture, again, pretty much the same, so this is a tick for me. I would also rate this a 9 out of 10. So the next outfit I'm gonna try on is a black dress. Alright, so this is the dress. It has this little tie thing. I'm just gonna tie it like this. But this dress is cute. But I'm not sure if it's a little bit of me. It's nice fabric, it's thick, like it's not no see-through dress. It's like this type of fabric. Hugs the body nicely, it looks like the picture. I bought this in a size 8. It's a nice dress, but I don't really like it. Too tough on me. I would rate this about a 7 out of 10. I like the fact that I can raise up my arm, yeah, and it's still on my shoulder. You know when you get off the shoulder clothes and you raise up the arm and then one arm goes up like this or something. The next thing I'm going to be trying on is this corset top with these pair of jeans. Trousers. Do not go any higher than this. I'm disappointed. I had high hopes for this outfit. High hopes. My little mom jeans with my corset top. Okay. So let's talk about the top then. But I got this top in a size 6 because I know these corset tops are supposed to be tight. There's one thing about this top that I really don't like. It stinks. I don't know what type of leather they used, but this leather stinks. Let's say if this outfit was to fit me, I probably would have given it a 7, but because it doesn't fit and the leather also stinks, I would give it a 4. And it's not like I bought the wrong size. The next outfit I'm going to be showing you is a jumpsuit. This belt reminds me, you know when you go to a fun fair and you sit on a ride? It reminds me of that seat belt. This, okay, the belt didn't want to stay. Come on. This slaps. Look at it. It's like the fabric is like stretchy but hard at the same time. It's defo cute. You could zip it up all the way to the top, but I don't think you want to do that. I bought this in a extra small, so that's a size 6. Comparing this to the picture, it literally looks exactly like the picture. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because look. The next outfit I'm gonna try is these PU leggings and this jumper. I saw this on there and I was like, oh my god, this is cute, cute. I look like a bird. I look like I'm about to fly away. You know when you see an outfit on the model and it looks cute and then you buy it and you wear it and you look like a bird? On the bright side, these PU leggings are TT. This is a size 8. I don't know if this is too big. Like, it fits perfectly, but I feel like it looks a bit weird. It's like not shaped properly. This outfit, I'm gonna give it a 2. Right, so the next thing I'm gonna show you is this black ribbed dress that I bought. I don't know. This is a size 8, but I really do feel like I should have got it in a size 6 because like the back looks weird. This bit is not like, it's just out there. I don't know if it's the way it's sewn or I don't know, but it's just not fitting my body properly. So I do quite like this dress, but I do feel like if you was to buy this dress, maybe get it in a size smaller because it's quite big. So with FemmeLuxe, I feel like their clothing is a bit off-size, and before you do buy from FemmeLuxe, you should look at the reviews because all the things are doing mix and match, like some are fitting, some are not fitting. I think I'm gonna give this a cheeky little 7 out of 10 because this is a proper nice dress, like it's a proper elegant dress. The next outfit I'm gonna show you is this white top. This it's like spaghetti strap with some khaki trousers. Ask me why I got these trousers. I don't know. That's what I'm talking about. I like this top and I like the fact that it's double layered because like obviously being a dark skinned girl, when you wear tops like this and it's not double layered. And these trousers, they're quite nice. Like I didn't think I would like them, but they're quite nice. They fit nicely. These are a size 8. The back is a little bit spacious. So the real question is, these are a size 8. Those other jeans I previously tried to wear is also a size 8. Why weren't they fitting? The one thing I don't like about this top is that, yes, it's double layered, but the double layering stops here. Another thing I noticed with the khaki trousers is that it's backwards. By backwards I mean, you know how when you do a button, you know how females' buttons are on the right hand side? It was on the left. Are they male trousers? I bought a couple more trousers from FemmeLuxe and I'm just gonna try these with this top. I'm not even gonna lie, these black cargo trousers are not gonna shut. They're not gonna shut. They're simply just not gonna shut. These are also a size 8, but you don't want to fit. Didn't I just try previous trousers and they fit? I wanted to wear this bodysuit with them black cargo pants, but literally this top, whose neck is fitting in that? Whose big African head is fitting in that? Not mine. This would have been cute because this is one of them high-rise bodysuits. But another thing I noticed is this tag doesn't even say FemmeLuxe. This haul started off good, but it's going downhill from here. I'm disappointed. Right, so this is the same cargo pants, but they're in cream instead, beige, whatever you want to call this color. Let's hope these fit, and if they do fit, crazy, because it's the same size 8. I'm not even gonna lie, these fit me perfectly. Even a bit big on the waist. So why was the same trousers, just a different color, not fitting? These are like cargo pants, so at the bottom they get tight. I like the fabric, like this fabric is stretchy. It's not like uncomfortable cargo pants. It's like I can move freely in them. I'm just baffled as to why the black ones didn't fit. I don't know if you can tell, but I love a little cargo pants. Here's another one for you. Can't really see the color. In my camera, this looked green. Portobello pork. Portobello pork? Portobello park? That don't say FemmeLuxe. Damn, this is tight. You guys don't even want to see these trousers. No, cancelled. This is so tight. That was a size 8. Again, and they don't fit. The next outfit is a cord, a tan cord. Again, this does not say FemmeLuxe. Right, I do quite like this cord. It fits all right. The bottoms are a bit like baggy. I would give this a 6.5 out of 10. I bought this in a size 8. The next outfit I'm going to show you are these denim shorts and an off-the-shoulder knitted jumper. This jumper is cute. Well, it looked cute in the picture. Let's see it on me and we'll decide if it's cute or not. Right, I like the jumper. It's like a cropped jumper. The fabric's nice, it's knitted. The shorts, I quite like the front, but the back, what the f is that, bro? It's a no from me. I would have to, on the model, these shorts looked so peng. Again, I bought this in a size 8 and I got the shorts in a size 8. This outfit, if the back of the shorts wasn't like this, I would rate this outfit at 8 out of 10 because it's actually cute. Like, it's so cash and cute and like simplistic. The next top I'm showing you is a lilac tie-dye top, and yeah, so this is this top. I feel like I'd just wear this at home. Like, if I rocked it nice with a nice pair of shoes and shorts, I could wear it outdoors, but I don't know. I said, lastly, I got another cord. This, again, does not say FemmeLuxe. It says Brave Soul. So that is now 3 different brands, which are not FemmeLuxe. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This outfit is so bun. I'm not even gonna cap. The model made this outfit look so peng, like, but this is what it wants to look like on me. I got this in a size 8 as well. The top feels like it fits nice, but like, I don't know if this bit's supposed to be like that. I'm gonna just do it like that anyways. Okay, no, it would look nice if it fit nicely on me, like fit good, but it's not really fit good. So I'm sorry, but this is gonna have to be a 4 out of 10 because it's partially my fault. Maybe I shouldn't. It's not, because I'm a size 8. So I bought a size 8 expecting it to fit properly, but it didn't. If you want to shop at FemmeLuxe, you should buy like, you see the type of clothing I was wearing at the start, them type of clothing, like the flashy going outside type of clothing from FemmeLuxe, instead of like these casual-ish type wear things. They're just not banging from that side. I'm sorry, it wasn't adapting. But thanks for watching, guys. Ruth Rockwel.